Toy Bank gets a whole lot of toys from all over. But it's just amazing when children step up. I mean, like parting with their favorite toys with kids they haven't even met before. To me, that's a testimony to the fact that we as humans were born to give. All their toys reach us because they've either grown out of it or have parted after some heavy thought. Now, after this decision's been made, then begins the planned journey of a toy from one child to another.
बच्चे हमें ढेर सारे खिलौने देते हैं। उनके अलावा ऑफिसेस, स्कूल्स और कॉलेजेस से भी हमें काफ़ी सारे खिलौने मिलते हैं।
पहले मुंबई के कोने कोने से हम खिलौने लाते थे। अब हम देश के कोने तक पहुंचे हैं। धीरे से दूसरे देशों में भी हम पहुंच रहे हैं। और वैसे देखा जाए तो ऐसा कोई मौसम ही नहीं बचा जिसमें खिलौने के पिकअप्स नहीं होते।
पिकअप्स के बाद जब बक्से हमारे पास आते हैं वो एक खिलौनों की फौज लगती है। हम उसे अच्छी तरह ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं। बोर्ड गेम्स अलग होते हैं, एजुकेशनल गेम्स अलग और सॉफ्ट टॉयज अलग। उसके बाद हर एक खिलौने को हम ध्यान से देखते हैं, अगर कहीं वो टूटा या फटा हो। जब पजल्स आते हैं तब काफी मजा आता है, क्योंकि बच्चों को देने के पहले हम खुद देखते हैं कि उसके सब पीसेस है कि नहीं। फिर होती है सफाई, जिसमें हर खिलौने को अपने अपने तरीके से साफ किया जाता है और फिर ये बच्चों के पास जाने के लिए तैयार होते हैं।
There's a lot of thought put behind the distribution of toys. It's almost like a toy science we have created. There's a pre-assessment done from our side to understand the background of the children, where they come from, what kind of toys are required in their play areas, and in what numbers. We also color code the different categories of games and maintain a log of what kind of toys are played with. Because once all the homework is done, we know that it's these toys that could influence children in some way, and we do not like to take that lightly.
These children come from very tough backgrounds. They're also very curious. They also are very sensitive. They also want to learn so many things. In fact, there are so many aspects of their lives that could use some guidance. Honestly, we're just one part of so much that needs to be done. At distribution events, we ask kids what they want to be and we give them something related to what they aspire. But this is about where all our efforts and technicalities of toys take a back seat. Because once any child opens a new toy in their hands, the excitement seen in them is completely on a different level. At the end, we're just a drop along with the vast number of people who want to help in some way or the other. But the power of play should not be underestimated. It just makes better people.